Jonathan here. I'm going to just run through a really short video on how to make a wooden heirloom style fishing net. This is poplar and alder, and I'm going to be using my measure net bags. These are super cool. They are able to measure the fish on the inside there, but the best part about them is they have a zipper around the outside, so they're easy to attach. So it's a super quick video. I have a longer video you can watch. Then at the end of this video, I was going to give this fishing net to Skeet Reese, the bass fisherman. I know it's a fly net, but you probably like it anyway. So that's what this video is about. Stay tuned. I'm going to run you through a cool project, one of our fishing nets. It's really one of my favorite projects. First thing I did was I cut 1/8" strips, so they're about an 1/8" thick, 13/16 wide. I cut them both in alder and poplar. It only takes about 3 of them to make one of the nets. So then I took these 3 slats, 60 inches long, and I have a PVC tube here full of water. I dropped them in there, soaked it about 6 to 8 hours in that tube till I got pretty wet. After soaking them, then I have this mold. I actually bought this mold. It's a piece of 1-inch MDF. And I bought it from this company right here, themeasurenet.com. Really inexpensive mold. And then I took those wet strips and I bent around here and let them dry overnight. Then when they were done drying overnight, I unclamped them, took them apart, put glue on them and glued them up, and then again let them sit overnight. And then after they sat overnight, they come out kind of looking like this. You can see there's a handle in there and then glued up. This is actually poplar, alder, poplar, and then an alder handle. Then from here, next thing I'm going to do is put them through a drum sander, router the edges so they have not very sharp edges, and then sand and finish. So we made a few of these. I'd like to finish this one up and give it to Skeet Reese. He's a bass fisherman, but I'm sure he'd love a fly fishing net. So let me finish this one up, and the tree transformation wood net made right here at Colfax High.
That's pretty awesome right there. So proud, thank you, appreciate it. It's you know, I don't actually think I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this in my office as a souvenir coming in to be able to speak to the school today, Colfax freshmen. It was pretty awesome, so I'm going to keep this as a memento of that.